Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. SQL Server and SSMS are installed, and a SQL login exists. Next, change the server to mixed authentication and create a login for remote use so Windows-only access won't block you. Once done, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager and confirm the server instance listens on port 1433. Enable the SQL browser service if using named instances. These steps establish credentials and network transport so remote connections are possible. Now focus on network-level details. In Configuration Manager, bind the instance to the server's IP and assign a static port to avoid dynamic mapping surprises. Then create firewall inbound rules for that port and allow UDP 1434 if you rely on SQL Browser. This prevents OS blocking. If the server sits behind NAT, set up router port forwarding to the server's LAN IP. Once configured, test connectivity using telnet hostname 1433 or PowerShell testnet connection to verify the port is reachable from your client. Finally, open SSMS on the client and connect with server equals IP, port, or server / instance after specifying the port. Supply the SQL login you created. Make sure to enable encryption, TLS, and use least privilege accounts to reduce attack surface. If the connection fails, systematically troubleshoot. Verify firewall rules on server and client. Confirm SQL Browser and SQL services are running. Inspect SQL error log for login failures and recheck router NAT/port forwarding. One key tip: replicate the test from a machine on the server LAN.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.